Hey YouTube, Seb here with a quick tutorial on how to clean or flush your printer head stroke nozzles. So stay tuned, here we go. The checklist: syringe with a tube, head cleaning fluid, paper towel, cling film, a cup, lukewarm water, and disposable gloves. If you don't have any of the items I've just mentioned, just head over to eBay, Amazon, or any other online retailer. Right, let's get cracking. So first step first, if you haven't done so, if you haven't freed up the rack, please do so now. Start to print a page. As soon as the page starts printing, switch off the power and you'll free the rack. As you can see, it's very important that we do this process. We need the rack to be centralized for the next phase. But don't forget to wrap up the cartridges in the cling film to prevent them from drying out. Let's warm the fluid up, so make sure it's lukewarm water, not boiling water, and do be very careful when you do this. In the meanwhile, while that warms up to the desired temperature, we'll prepare the paper towels for the collection of the gunge when we are going to be flushing. Let's prepare the collection surface for the gunge, which are the paper towels we're going to use. You fold them in half, fold them again in half, and half, or as the desired width of your channel, that rack channel. Okay, make sure it sets underneath, so nice and easy. Just roll the rack over, just make sure it's centralized. So we'll need that once the flushing commences. You'll see the gunge collection. Now the liquid is warm. Now let's get cracking with our cleaning process. So be very gentle and careful with the solution here. Okay, it's going to be hot, so make sure you don't spill any on yourself. Point to note is that please do not over inject or use pressure, excessive pressure, when you are going to inject the fluid into the heads itself, okay, or the channels there. So let's go further and let's connect the nozzle to the head. As you can see, okay, it's nicely firm and it's a firm fit. And now remember, don't over inject. So nice and easy, slowly, just increase the pressure in there, but you've got to be patient. You're not going to get results straight away. So forget the eager beaver, put it away, okay? So gently, as you can see, it's about a second to 2 seconds, okay, per push in, okay? So you will have to repeat this process. I mean, some blockage is going to be very rigid. It's built over time. So you've got to be patient. So be ready to go over this twice, even 5 times you'll have to. And sometimes you may have to leave the fluid in there, okay? And the best advice I can give you is that every time you're going to be cleaning the heads here, the cloggedness, if I may use the word, okay, how much clogging and gunge we have in there built over time, we'll need to do this several times, and we'll need to change those paper towels several times. So be ready for that. Well, that's it for the day. I have to love and leave you. I hope you found the tutorial very useful. It's helped you to unclog your printer. Please do subscribe and share the video. I'll be very appreciative of your gesture. Stay tuned, watch this space for more IT glitches and their fixes. And what's more is I'll be uploading some travel vlogs in days and weeks to come. Don't forget to keep yourself and those around you safe. It's Seb Bukhari at Every Journey Matters signing out. Goodbye and God bless.